We the people have had it up to here with people being nasty just because they paid for something, or be doing disgusting things just because they pay their money to be there. Have respect. People work hard to clean and sanitize after everyone else, despite what's going on in the world everywhere. Have respect. These are jobs that other people do, and not for much money. I give it out to the housekeepers, to the people, to the maintenance workers, to the people that's doing sanitation jobs, to keep us all healthy. And people still do nasty shit, like throwing their mask on the ground, licking over stuff, putting tissue everywhere, leaving big piles of shit in the toilet. People do all types of shit. You know how I know? I used to work as a housekeeper. I used to work in maintenance. I used to do those things. And people just don't got no respect. They just nasty. Have respect. Treat other people like you want to be treated. What if you were that housekeeper? What if you were that maintenance worker? What if that was your job and you had to face that every day? Have respect. Treat others like you wanted to be treated. And have a blessed day.